Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is a Simply Earth unboxing. If you guys don't know what Simply Earth is or you haven't watched any of my previous videos, it is a online essential oil company, but what I love most is that they send they have recipe boxes that you can order. They are $39 a month. You get 4 full-size oils, 6 different recipes, and then you get all the fun accessories to go along with making some of the recipes. So I'm going to show you guys what is inside this box. I also do have a coupon code. It is KRISTINKAYFREE, and you'll get a $40 gift card with your first recipe box purchase. And then you also receive a huge bonus box. So it comes with almond oil, coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. It comes with beeswax. It comes with roller balls. It comes with all of your like beginner recipes, Simply Earth recipe box needs. And I think those come every 3 or 4 months. So you actually get those every 3 or 4 months, the bonus boxes, which are amazing. So I'm going to show you guys what is in the March box. And if you guys do want to subscribe, they are usually sold out by like the 20th of every month. So let's see what's in this one. This is supposed to be like some sort of beauty box. I'm really excited to open this. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. All right, so like I said, you get 4 full-sized oils, and some of these are like $30 or $40 alone. So I think when you get this recipe box, it is just so much fun. I absolutely love doing this. I love doing essential oil recipes anyways. And also for every box purchased, 13% of it goes back to stop human trafficking. So I think that is super amazing. I love what they stand for. So these are 100% all natural. So in the March box, you receive, I'm probably just going to mess up on these words, but I'll show you guys closer up ones so you know exactly what they are. So there's Amorous, Tea Tree, Beauty Within, and Palmarosa. No, I think I got those right. And then like I said, you also get the accessories that go along with it. So this one comes with castor oil. You get 2 little lip balm or chapstick little, cause it looks like we're gonna be making chapstick and I'm super excited. This is vegetable glycerin. What else we got? We got beet root powder, and then it always comes with stickers to label all your fun recipes. And this is the cards. It shows you step by step on how to do all the recipes, which are absolutely amazing. So we got hair growth support serum, grow and flow hair mask, beautiful skin roll on. I'm there for this one right here. Natural beauty diffuser blend. I love all diffuser blends. Every time I start a recipe box, I always start with my diffuser just so I can have like a nice smell through my kitchen. DIY shiny pink lip balm. Yeah, I'm definitely there for that as well. And soothing facial essence. So yeah, so this is like a typical beauty box, and you know, I think we all need this after our long winters, our skin's dry. I'm excited to make these recipes. Let's go make them together. So these are the oils that you receive in your recipe box. I thought I'd just get a nice little close-up of what this recipe box looks like. So the first thing I'm gonna do, like I said, is just make my little diffuser blend. And like I said, all the recipes are word for word. Honestly, I kind of look at the top, see what I need, and add it all together. Definitely don't do that because in the end, you're going to see that I totally messed up on one of my recipes. So like I said, they are step by step. They are great with recipes. And normally, I honestly have never, in almost 2 years, messed up on a Simply Earth recipe until today. Like, I totally ruined the recipe that I really wanted to make. So right here, I'm just going to be making the beautiful skin roll-on. Roll-ons are so easy to make, so if you are new to essential oils, just try out a roll-on because all you do is just add the essential oils first, and then you just add a carrier oil. So you can add almond oil, you can add coconut oil. Coconut oil is always like the go-to for a carrier oil, so I definitely recommend it, and it's also 100% all natural and pure, so I just fill it up with the rest of the way. Like I said, there's probably like 5 to 6, 7 drops of essential oils, and then you fill it up with the carrier oil, put the lid back on along with a little roller, shake it up, add your sticker, and it is easy as that. So if you want to get into essential oils, that's why I think this recipe box is super amazing because, like I said, it gives you your recipes right here, and all you have to do is grab the items. Like, thankfully, Simply Earth gives you about 95% of what you'll need. Sometimes you'll need like an egg or flour or something really, hopefully you would have it home. If you don't, like I said, like this whole like chapstick, lip balm recipe, you get everything because you get the bonus box and you also get your recipe box the first time you sign up, which I think is amazing. So I'm making the lip balm. I did not read the instructions towards the bottom. I kind of just went with what was at the top. So what I needed, and I just added it, mixed it, and says you need a double boiler, but I can make my lip balms and everything in the microwave. It's not really a big deal. I do like increments of 30 seconds, 35 seconds, and then I like mix it until everything is melted. But I did not realize I was not supposed to add some like the beet powder. I messed this one up. It ended up burning rather than making it. So I just thought I would give you that tip right here. Do not do what I'm doing right now if you decide to sign up for this recipe box. But you guys, I have made so many recipes with Simply Earth. I am 100% behind their product. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. This is not a sponsored video, although they do send me free boxes. But this is why I work with them for so long, because I just think they are absolutely amazing. Their oils are amazing. I use these for cleaners. Just beside, you know, I just use them for so much, so much. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know if you already signed up to Simply Earth and what has been your favorite recipe, or let me know in the comments below if you do decide to sign up. I would love to know so we can talk about our little oily journeys. That's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!